Hi everyone, I'm Jesse from Farol Ltd. I'm stood here with Harry, who's a salesman for these John Deere ride-on lawnmowers. He's going to talk us through a bit about this John Deere mower and let us know a bit about the machine. So can you tell us, Harry?
Yeah, so here we've got the John Deere X350R 42-inch deck with a 300 litre rear collector on it as well. These machines actually come standard with a mulch plug fitting in the back as well, which I'll show you in just a second. As you can see, you've got the rear collector on here at the moment. Now if I take this off and quickly show you, in here, this is where the mulch plug comes as standard. Now you can choose to have this out of the machine, in which case what you do is just where that hole is there, just pull that and then you give it quite a hard pull, and that's what it looks like there. And all that does is, instead of the grass coming back up into the rear collector, it pushes it back into the deck, and effectively you're cutting it twice. So also as well with the seat, if you were to lift it up, underneath you've got the deck leveling gauge just here underneath the seat, and you can also adjust the seat as well just with these springs. So you move them forward, you've got 3 different positions each. So one there, one in the middle and one there as well. And this is just for different people who are with different weights and different sizes of machine as well. You can also, if you're a smaller or taller person, underneath the seat here, I'll just show you, got a lever, you just push that, and that's the seat adjustment.
I just found a feature that Harry's forgot to mention. What is it, Harry?
So basically, the lawnmower has cruise control, and I'll show you how it works quickly. When you're travelling down, the front and the rear pedals are on a linkage, just here. So you find the speed that you want to go if you're doing a really long straight, and you press this button just here. That then locks the forward pedal into place, and just to release it, all you have to do is press the button again, releases the button, and then you go again.
Well guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed them videos. Hope you found them informative. Thank you for Harry for bringing these machines out for us.
No problem at all. I hope you guys enjoyed what you see. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Farol Ltd.
And for more information on these machines, drop me an email at jesse@farol.co.uk.